Hey friends and family, God bless. This is going to be a little documentary about my puppy, Blue Heeler. His name is Roog. I just got him about 2 weeks ago. He's almost 3 months old at the end of February, and wanted to kind of document his life on a YouTube channel, see how that went. I hope that you can hear me. Anyway, here we go.
Boy. Good boy. Me and Roog just walked around the woods. February 2013, near the end of it, I guess. Boy, he loves it. Pretty much his element. The house and other dogs are okay. I mean, he's good in the house, sleeps well, pretty much potty trained, real smart boy, but other dogs, he's just kind of timid. I hope he grows up, gets bigger. He loves the woods though. This is his area. Mohawk Park. Just kind of dicking around, running this trail. He likes it. He's a good boy. Come on. He's leading it up. We just walked in and turned around and walked the trail back out. He's pretty much led the whole time. I like that. I led the way in, and he knows the way back out. He's a good boy.
Yep, he's a little tired after the park. And that's what happens. He's such a good boy. There's the yin-yang spot. Both black and red somehow. Fun. Bobtail.